Assalamu alaikum. So let me get you on the loop of why I had to support Tottenham in the Europa finals. I went with Tottenham because from where I am, from where I am, or from where I come from, ever since I started watching football and talking about football, I only know of two Tottenham fans. And one, I knew him after the Europa final. So I guess you can see the effect that Tottenham has on my life. Now, also from where I am, I'm surrounded by Manchester fans, deluded Manchester fans. Yeah, Manchester fans that always spoke their noses on Arsenal's business in the last 3 seasons. It has been Manchester United that has been poking their noses in Arsenal's business this season. So yeah, when Tottenham faced Manchester United in the Europa finals, I was supporting Tottenham. Those Arsenal fans in London have to deal with Tottenham fans. Well, me, I'm not there. Me, I would have suffered in the hand of Manchester United if they won that trophy. Yeah, their fans are so deluded. Yeah, there's that. And I also want to call out Manchester United fans for not shedding to light that Chelsea made more from Manchester United reaching in the final rather than Manchester United made from them reaching in the final. They had a deal with Chelsea, and so since they reached the Europa final with Mason Mount, they had to pay Chelsea 3.5 million, and the prize money they won was 5.5 million. So Manchester United made 2 million and Chelsea made 3.5 million. So who won? Who won, my Manchester United fans? Manchester United is such a small club. You should think of something to do, you all. You should think of something.